Dear friends, the Pharisee didn't lie. He was right about his religious practices. He fasted, tithed, obeyed the law. But Jesus says, he left the temple unjustified. And that is the spiritual danger. I can be right in religion and still be wrong with God. Let's uncover the hidden fractures in his prayer. Each one a warning to every faith tradition. First, religious supremacy. The Pharisees said, I thank you that I am not like the other people. Dear friends, in every religion today, there are voices declaring, we are the true ones. We are the chosen. We are better. This is not a devotion. It is ego baptized in ritual. The second, religious hegemony. The Pharisee becomes the gatekeeper of God's presence. He decides who is in and who is out, who is pure enough, who is dressed right, who is doctrinally correct, who is allowed to speak or lead. The third, religious discrimination. His prayer depends on someone else being less. Thank God I am not like that tax collector. This is not holiness. It is prejudice weaponized through worship. So, dear friends, when I say I am right, does it bring me closer to God? Or just higher above others?